Guys, it's me, your guy. You remember me? You remember me? I'm not going to introduce myself anyway again, but I'm your baby girl. Today you see my head. This is disgusting. But I have a solution for myself and solution for you people who are not having hair on your heads. Like look here. I really miss my hair. But we have our wigs here. Not even expensive. Look at it. You just see it as a small thing. It doesn't have any net. It's just in two parts. Let me just check here if it is the thing I ordered. I guess it's the thing I ordered. Oh, this can work. Look at it. Very cheap. Trying to get it. Like you have to create this space. I'm teaching you how to put on very, very good wigs. We spend. This is Brazilian. This is Brazilian. This one. And I'm going to press it on my head so that you can see a good thing that can get out of it. The first fashion. This fashion, I have already told you the way to arrange it. Then get here and like somehow press it here. There. Okay, you will be like watching yourself in the mirror. Then kind of you'll be having your pin, but me, I don't like pins. But you can also just press it here. These are just cheap wigs. Yes, that is it. Or even it can stay here. You people who like pins, you put here the pin, like here. Then this here remains. This is a very cheap wig. One Brazilian can finish. Or two. Don't go on those wigs of 10K. Huh? What is that? That one, that is not. Okay, guys, let us wear these ones because they are very cheap. You can afford them anyway. And the next fashion. Don't worry about my head. Our adventure will get back my hair. Okay, we are trying to get here. Look at here. There is here space inside here, but you don't have any space here. So you get it, press it somewhere here. Yeah. Then this, all the things should be behind. You see me? Then a person will see you and ask you, what kind of wig is that? The wig you're wearing, Brazilian wig. This wig is very affordable, babes. And the same thing, we leave here space, we don't leave here any space. Press it on your hair. Best. I love it. And you can make many designs in this. How do I look? Huh? I look like Americans, black Americans, but don't worry about my madness. But guys, put on these wigs, stop destroying your money, I tell you. So you can also make a puff out of this. That like this. Yeah. You see the way here it's in front. Then kind of get some little hair one. You put here. Then other little hair. Press there. Cut. These ones should not be equal with these ones. These ones should be long, either long or short. These ones also either long or short, but they should not be equal at the same size. Yeah, that is the thing, guys. Get your puff holder. It's bad I never came with the puff holder. I got the idea when I left here, but don't worry. So, guys, how do I look? Hmm? How do I look? Tell me, you people who go and buy wigs of 10K, how do I look? Don't I look great? Can't I go to a party? Hey, guys, I'm saying bye bye because it's already late. Bye, guys. I love you. Mwah.